Good day, Chef Winston, once again from Catering CC, bringing you another beautiful, delicious recipe. Today I'm going to bring you guys coconut curry shrimp and scallop. That's right, coconut curry shrimp and scallops. Very, very tasty. We do this for a few of our clients and they absolutely love it, and you guys will too. So let's get started. What I've got is some shrimp, some beautiful shrimp and scallops that I went ahead and seasoned already with a little bit of salt and some curry powder, and we tossed it up. Alrighty, so I got all the ingredients all laid out, so let's get this party started. Oh man, it's time to get the party started. We are going to start building some flavors. First, we're gonna do what? We got the shells. Chef Winston don't waste anything. We've got the shells from the shrimp that we peeled earlier. What we're gonna do, we're gonna create a small little bit of stock, intensify this particular dish that we're doing today. First, put a little bit of oil inside a pot, add your shells. All right, you can hear it sizzling, okay? And I got some onions, some onion ends. We don't want to throw those away, so we're going to use those. Mix it up. What you're doing, we're intensifying the flavor. We're trying to extract as much flavor out of the shells as possible. And by doing that, I'm toasting these shells, getting them to a nice amber color. Okay? And you can see, oh, you guys should smell this. It smells amazing. Usually a shrimp stock, you want to add onions, carrots, and celery and some other seasoning like peppercorn and bay leaf, but we're not going to do that because our finished product is going to have a lot of those extra flavors. So just trying to extract some simple flavors for now. Okay, we're building flavors. All right, remember, we're doing a coconut curry shrimp and scallop dish, so we're going to keep it all in the family by adding some what? Coconut rum. That's right. Anytime you're dealing with alcohol, pull it off the flame and add the alcohol to it. That smells amazing. So what I'm doing at this point, I add the alcohol. We're gonna let this cook for a little bit so we can cook out the alcohol out of the liquid. And from there, oh, and it's working pretty fast. This smells amazing. This smells amazing. So next, what we're gonna add some coconut water. You saw me bust open a coconut earlier. We saved the water from it. We're gonna add it to the stock as well. You're keeping it all in the family, baby. This is gonna be amazing. So we're gonna let it simmer down for maybe about 10-15 minutes. We're gonna cover it up. And once that's cooking, once that's simmering down for about 10, maybe 15 minutes, 12 minutes, we're gonna start on the next step. We're gonna start building our other part of the dish. All right, next step, we're gonna start building this dish. First, get a nice preheated pan, a little bit of olive oil, some good olive oil that is, and we got our shrimp and our scallops that's seasoned with curry and a little bit of salt and pepper, just a little. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add this here and saute this, not for too long. We're not gonna fully cook it. All right, now I'm gonna take it out. Take it off and set it to the side. So your next step, you're gonna start adding your vegetables. Add a little bit more oil. We've got some tricolor peppers. We got some red, green, and yellow peppers. As well as some green onions, scallions. This is smelling so good. You add a little bit more oil. This is smelling amazing. After that, I've got some ginger and some chopped garlic. Mmm. A little salt and pepper. Oh man, you guys could just smell this. This smells amazing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So while that's going down, we've got the beautiful Caribbean heat right here. Scotch bonnet. We're not gonna use the whole thing. This lends a very heavy kick, so be careful. You might have to wear some gloves using this here because do not scratch any parts of your body after you cut this, okay? I'm gonna use about that much and I'm gonna cut it up and add it to that dish. Let it simmer down some more. Beautiful. Now, this has been simmering away. Let's go back here to our stock. Let's leave this on the side. This has been simmering away. Oh, beautiful. Smells amazing. And we're gonna strain it into this colander. Oh, wow. Look at this. All beautiful flavors. And then we're gonna take that and pour it in to our dish right here. So while that's simmering down, we're gonna let this reduce even more. The more you reduce a liquid or some sauce that you're making, the more intensified the flavor gets, all right? So from there, I'm just gonna add a little bit more curry, not much. A little bit more curry. Mix that in. Let it simmer down. Let me taste it in the meantime. Oh, magnifique. This tastes very, very flavorful. Very flavorful. I'm excited. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? We're cooking, baby. We are cooking. This is real cooking going on here. Now, as that reduces, give it about 4 to 5 minutes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Smells amazing. This has been simmering for about 4 to 5 minutes. Next step, coconut milk. I'm telling you, we're keeping it in the family. We got coconut rum, coconut water, now some coconut milk. Here we go. Ah, beautiful. So while that's coming together as well, we're gonna add some fresh thyme. Oh, look at that, put that in there. Some fresh chopped thyme. Look at what the coconut milk is doing to that. It's coming together, nice and thick, rich, flavorful sauce. Look at that. Too bad you guys can't smell this, but it looks great. You guys gonna have fun making this. All right, as this is going down, I'm gonna finish it with a piece of butter. Yes, this is gonna be amazing. I'm loving it. All right, so this is almost done. So we're gonna finish this. Before we finish it, let's taste it to make sure it's where we need it to be, okay? Just a little bit more salt. I can taste the coconut. I can taste the bite of, oh man, taste the bite of the heat, the Scotch bonnet. Don't forget our curry, sauteed shrimp, and scallops. Fold that in. Turn off your heat. You can pull it off and fold it in. No need to continue boiling this. You don't want to overcook your seafood. The seafood, I sauteed it first. It was half cooked. Now the heat of the sauce is going to continue to cook this. And that's what this looks like. Some coconut, curry, shrimp, and scallops. So let's plate this up. And there we have it. The coconut, curry, shrimp, and scallops. Nicely put together. And this coconut shell, we're gonna put the food into this. We're gonna put the dish into this and present it. How cool does this look? Wow. And I can't wait to taste this. We're going back to the islands, man. That's what's happening. This is how we do it. This is how we do it at Catering CC. We bring the islands to you. How does this look? Doesn't this look amazing? I'm gonna give this a taste real quick. I'm gonna give this a taste just so I can get an idea. It works. It works. Tasty. I can taste the bite of the Scotch bonnet. Coconut flavor galore. The coconut rum, coconut water, the coconut milk. You guys are gonna love this one. Please, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If there's anything you'd like to see us cook, I'm here for you home cooks. This is for you guys. Please let me know, and I'll be happy to produce it for you guys and make it happy. Cheers.